Hello and welcome to 10 Middle Rider Road, a meticulously constructed mountain modern home that you have been waiting for. Direct ski access, huge views, and a home that was built right from day one. Step outside, click in, and ski straight to Big Sky Resort. This is true direct access to some of the best skiing in the country. No shuttles, no compromises. And the views, they are unreal. Lone Mountain, Fan Mountain, and Andesite Ridge, all laid out in front of you. This home was positioned perfectly to capture it all. Built in 2018 by Big Sky Build, the exterior strikes that ideal mountain modern balance. Wood and steel beams, stone accents, and clean lines that feel timeless, not trendy. Inside, the craftsmanship stands out immediately. A custom steel staircase with floating wood treads set the tone, and the open living spaces are designed to frame the scenery at every turn. The living room is a showstopper. 13-foot ceilings and 11-foot tall windows that span the entire width of the room, completely blurring the line between inside and out. The kitchen is both beautiful and highly functional. Bosch induction cooktop, integrated wine fridge, and a walk-in pantry with plenty of counter space for every extra appliance you actually use. You've got a formal dining space for hosting, plus a cozy breakfast nook that soaks in the views. Whether it's a big dinner or a quiet morning coffee, it works. Comfort is fully dialed. Radiant in-floor heat, a propane furnace for efficiency, and Lutron lighting throughout to keep everything simple and intuitive. The primary suite is its own private retreat on the top level. Dedicated porch, nearly 270-degree views, and a wall of windows so you wake up staring straight at the mountains. The bathroom is just as impressive. Soaking tub with views, quartzite counters with custom matching sinks, private makeup vanity, and under cabinet lighting that sets the perfect evening mood. Additional spaces include a dedicated office, oversized 2-car heated garage, and a living space downstairs, perfect for a gym, movie nights, or extra room to spread out. 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths, 2 powder rooms, direct ski access, and views that never get old. This is Big Sky mountain living at its best. If you've been waiting for a ski access home that truly delivers, 10 Middle Rider is the one you need to see. Thanks for watching. So long from Big Sky.